Assalamualaikum everyone. So today my topic is I'll be showing you a custom widget using option schema. Okay, so I'll just make a header, and in that header the header content and color will be of the user's choice. Okay, so what is the use of option schema? We'll know. So if we will just go to the widget, and in below you can find there's something known as option schema. So what is the use of this? We can This is highly used when we use any customization, any um, dynamic widget. Okay, so we will just get started. So I'll just add a string field here. Okay, so my main motive is that I'll make a header widget, and the content and the color would be of user's choice. Okay, so there will be one field in option schema, which should be the content, where you can add the content. So the name. So this is how the option schema is written. The name through which you can call it. Through which you can call in the HTML part. Now next thing is, if you want to add the section, you can add. Presentation. The label of the content should be, I'll give content of button of header. I'll give, okay, header. And the last thing is, what should be the type of this content. So I'm just giving it string. Okay, so this is how my option schema looks like. And if you want another option schema, I don't want another one. I think so one is enough for me, because I'll add the color from here. If you just go on the bootstrap color, it is here. So you will get the color from here, from this field, and the content from here. Okay, so I'll just give the name. Saving it. I'll open it in the Edge editor. So now my main, how to call the values, the names which I have mentioned in option schema, as well as I have mentioned in fields. So there's something known as options, and you can just directly, if you want, you can just add the info message here, and options dot, because I have given the name content in the option schema, we can add it here. just to test. Okay. Now the thing is, I have to show in the header the content and the color of the header. So we already know that how to take the values from server script and to go in the HTML, how to call it directly one-on-one. So I'll just write here class. I'll give, and I need to mention the color here. So 2 brackets is used to take the value and to print the value in HTML format. So I'll just write options here as well. Options dot color, because I have given the color in field here. If you see, bootstrap color I have given, and the name of this field is color, color. So I'll just give here color. Next I will add the header. Form inline. Next I'll add the size header. It should be in center. And over here I'll give the options dot content. Okay, so I need to display the content here. So this is it. Only the options keyword should be used, options object should be used to call the option schema and fields values. Okay, so I just save it. Now I'll go to my page and I'll add the header above all this, page in designer. And you can use this header anywhere because the content and the color is already mentioned. So I'll use in many places. I'll just show you. Let this open. I hope you guys are understanding what I am trying to explain. And if you have any questions, any query, or any further requirement, then you can just comment it, mention in the comment, and I'll just try my best to resolve whatever requirement you have through my video. And guys, kindly subscribe if you are watching my video. Okay, so over here I'll call this dynamic header, place it here. Okay, so now you can, if you go click here, there is something known as bootstrap color, which I have already added, and content of header, which I have mentioned. So I'll give, what color should I give? Okay, warning I'll give, and content of header should be displaying new state, displaying count of new state. Okay, displaying count of new state. Just save it here. And the same widget Okay, over here it is coming like this, and the same dynamic header I'll use it below this. And the color I'll give as info, and the content will be searching incident problem. Save. So see, this is how dynamic is working. I'll just open it in my home page so that it is visible properly. So see, I've mentioned in the server script. So in server script we also use options, as well as in HTML also we use options. So option is the main object through which you can call any option schema and fields values. Okay, so that's it guys for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching.